Wow.
This is God's medicine.
Keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah.
So this right here is the Midnight Oil. We build the whole thing right in our shooter glass. We've got 1.5 ounces of Amaretto and 1/2 ounce of Jagermeister. And one of the coolest things about this, it's not layered, right, the way that a layered shot would be. The lighter Amaretto stays towards the bottom, the Jager stays on top, so you kind of have a cool gradient of colors. This one's not going to be cold, obviously we didn't shake it or strain it. It might not be as smooth going down.
It really looks like midnight oil. Smells a little off. That is delicious. Dare I say beautiful? It's a little bit thick, I think, because of the Jagermeister. The blend together, I really do feel like this is a type of drink. You're burning the midnight oil. You want something delicious in your life. This is God's medicine. I give this is shocking. This is very delicious. 9.3.
Wow.
You know my ratings. You all know my ratings.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have a new personal record. That is the highest score he has given yet. I like it. 9.3 is way too high for me, but I do like it. I love Amaretto. It is the kind of thing that in the wintertime might put some hair on your chest. What would you give it? Let us know in the comments.
And like and subscribe, people.
As always, if you're burning the midnight oil with or without the shooter, just do so responsibly.
You get like a kind of a burning sensation. Don't judge me. There is a little bit of a burn aftertaste. It's like a good burn though. It's like this is good. I don't think you'll like this drink. My viewers who have taste will like this drink. If I had a cold, this is what I would take. Cold medicine.